I'm Mohit, and it's a privilege to be here back in college. It's so reminiscent of the times I was coming and visiting in West Madhya Pradesh, so I thought I'll come and visit the college also. I'm your alumnus going back to 87 batch, so I know I sound ancient to the youngsters who are seeing my message, but at heart, I'm still very, very young. So I will come back and give whatever little I can go back to college. I'm staying at the Taj. I met a lot of IHM Bhopal kids serving and coming to my room. I happened to chat with them, so it was very nice. So I thought of coming to the college and come back and see the college. And it's so much of nostalgia. Going back the memory lane and seeing the lanes and the by lanes of the college, visiting from the hostel, coming to the classes. So it's extremely nice, and the feeling is absolutely fantastic. So just a little bit of journey which may inspire you guys, may not inspire you because you are charting your own path now. So I did my hotel management. After hotel management, served with the Taj as a management trainee, worked with them for 2 years before I decided to pursue my education. In Bhopal only, I learned to be very academically oriented. I had a mission, I followed footsteps of my sister. My sister happened to be IHM Pusa pass out, and she was a topper. I thought, मुझे भी वैसे ही बनना है. So I slogged a lot. And because of slogging, I got into a habit of studying. Because I got into a habit of studying, in my Taj, I decided to pursue my further education. I did my MBA from an Institute of Foreign Trade, Delhi. I took a sabbatical from my workplace in Taj. Although Taj at that time, Varti was a general manager. Varti signed a lien with me that after MBA I'll join back Taj. That's why my job continuity maintained with the Taj. But I happened to do my MBA, and after MBA I did my training with Nestle India. I explored the world, which is little more wider, but stuck to food and the food industry. So Ahar, Vihar, Aushadhi always interested me. So after college, I got in as a management trainee with Dabur. So did my summers with Nestle, and after my finals, I got into Dabur. Since Dabur, from management trainee, I've grown up to become the global chief executive of a company which is 1 lakh crore now. And from India, I was in India for 10 years. After India, I went to London. London, I was there for 2 years, heading their international business. From London, I moved to Americas. I was in America for around 2-3 years. After America, I was in Dubai for around 14 years. After 14 years, I came back to India. Now I'm the Global Chief Executive Officer. In between, I did my post-graduation from London Business School. Then I went to Kellogg's Business School in the US. I did my education there because of the foundation of hotel management. And here I am visiting your Chief Minister and listening to PM Modi. So I'm a part of Confederation of Indian Industry now and holding big offices in the industry and corporate. And still, the first love of hotel doesn't leave me. And I'm still with them. The Taj chairman is a very close friend of mine. So I happen to enjoy the privileges of the industry where I used to serve. And it's absolutely brilliant to be back here again. And I'm giving you guys a bite. And thanks to the principal who's entertained me now, and to the madam. And thank you so much. And it'll be a privilege to come back and have a session with you children and students actually. So yeah, thank you very much. All the very best to you guys. See ya.